Hey, what's up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Tello Films on your Amazon Firestick device, step by step. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is move over to the Find menu and click on the search option. Once you're on the search screen, you'll see the keypad on your Fire Stick, allowing you to search for any app that's available on the Amazon App Store. Since Tello Films is officially supported, you don't need any third-party tools for this one. Just go ahead and type in Tello Films. After typing just a few letters, the Tello Films app will appear in the search results. Slide down and click on it. Now, click on the official Tello Films icon, and here you'll see the option to download and install the app on your Fire Stick device. Press the download button using your remote. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is finished, go ahead and click Open. When you open the app for the first time, you'll be greeted with a sign-in screen. Click on Sign In, and a unique activation code will appear on your TV. Now, you'll need to grab your phone or laptop and go to tellofilms.com/activate. Log into your account on your browser, enter that code from your TV screen, and click Activate. That's it. Your Fire Stick will automatically refresh, and the app is now fully set up and ready to go. You can find it anytime by holding down the Home button on your remote, selecting Apps, and scrolling to the bottom of the list. Go ahead and launch Tello Films and start exploring all that great content on your Amazon Fire Stick device. If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.